Hi. So before I found the Forex Beginners Academy, I was aware of Forex trading. I saw the potential, but I just couldn't figure out how to crack it. I started taking the training videos after I found the Forex Academy for beginners online, just searching on Facebook, and immediately started learning about how support and resistance work, how trend lines and channels work, like how to draw them on a chart in TradingView and watch the price react, right? I mean, one of the funnest things I've ever done is go back in time and draw just simple support and resistance lines on the chart and then go forward, you know, one candle at a time and watch what they do. Watch what they do between, you know, a support line and a resistance line. It's amazing. So, and, you know, we've covered so many topics in the training videos, like how to use the Fibonacci tool, how to understand, you know, what the price does in market structure, right? What happens when it breaks its market structure. And above all, you know, when to place a trade. So I've benefited enormously also from understanding trader discipline. You know, a lot of trading is waiting for a setup, waiting for your confluence of events to happen. Trading isn't always being in a trade. That's not making money, I've learned. So I recommend the instructor highly. I recommend this, you know, this course highly, or, you know, the academy highly, but also I recommend the private group, the student group, which I've been in for a while. And it's just been amazing to share charts and to see, you know, how people analyze and how people are, you know, choosing to enter trades and what happens. You know, it's always a learning experience, and we're, you know, sharing as we go. So my 2 cents. There you go. Peace out.